How to create Romeo account. So if you want to sign up to your Romeo dating app, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can go with your Play Store and you can go with search, and here you can search for Romeo application, which is the gay dating application. So if you want to create an account on Romeo, then you just need simply go and install the application at first. You will have the install option. You can just simply tap on install, or if you don't want to install the application, then you can go with your browser also. So you can go with your browser and you can search for Romeo sign up, and once you've searched for it, now you need to go with www.romeo.com, which is on the first, and from here you'll be able to create your account. So first you need to enter your email address. So enter your email address, and then you need to enter your date of birth. So go with your date of birth and make sure that you are 18 years older, and then go with next, which is on the bottom, and you need to choose your gender, and after that your orientation, your relationship status, and what you're looking for. After that, go with done, and then you can go with age range and go with next, and you need to choose your location. And after choosing your location, you can go with next. Your lifestyle, you can go and select your lifestyle, go with next. You can add your profile picture. After that, go with next again, and you need to create a unique profile name. After that, you can create your password. So create a strong password and then again retype your password. And after that, you can scroll down and then tap on next, and your account will be created. That's how you can create your Romeo account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.